Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. This game is an exhibition game between Team Pilipinas and Team Pontevedra. I would like to introduce the Team Pilipinas. Representative ni sa aton nga Team Pilipinas, iwato ni sa Shanghai China Cup. I called your name, please go to the center of basketball court. From Team Pilipinas, starting up jersey number 17. Galdo. Jersey number 34, Wanisa. Jersey number 29, Yap. Jersey number 23, Otero. Jersey number 17, Magbanwa. Jersey number 2, Tabligan. Jersey number 18, Solomon. Jersey number 1, Jete. Jersey number 10, Ariola. Jersey number 19, Ricardo. And jersey number 17, Calyora. And jersey number 4, De La Torre. And head coach, Judd Calyora. From Team Pontevedra, jersey number 6, Hamili. Jersey number 5, Sarasa. Jersey number 10, Siman. Jersey number 2, Habana. Jersey number 11, Sumuga. Jersey number 1, Gregorio. Jersey number 28, Kabatanya. Jersey number 29, Dopan. Jersey number 18, Barison. Jersey number 7, D1. Jersey number 9, Samar. Jersey number 33, Bangkok. Jersey number 17, Soklan. Jersey number 19, Aban. Jersey number 6, Igay. And jersey number 1, Soklan head coach, Mr. Ondo Amili, and assistant coach, Mr. Rodney Isoy.
Okay, so mayong gabi Pontevedra. So this time we will witness the game between Pilipinas and Pontevedra. So this time I would like to request our SK President Federation Honorable Rimar Lascano for his message. Matabi, Pontevedra.
So thank you so much, sir. So first and foremost, to our Municipal Mayor, the Honorable Jose Maria Alonso, together with our Vice Mayor, the Honorable Bing Hilbor, sa tanan nga Sangguniang Bayan members, sa tanan nga Pumuluyo, Pamatanon, and also to Team Pontevedra and Team Pilipinas, mayong kapi sa inyo nga tanan. So this evening, it is a great opportunity, a privilege para sa aton nga banwa para nga makatigayon ang isa ka tune-up game with Team Pilipinas who will be representing in China, Shanghai, China, this coming 2026 together with our Team Hiliusa Pontevedra. So palakpakan nato ng atong players, everyone, because it is a great pride nga sa aton banwa napilian kita to be part of their challenge man sa aton nga pamatanon, and also mapakita ang true spirit of sportsmanship, camaraderie, respect, and most importantly, professionalism sa aton nga court. So to both teams, thank you so much for coming and for representing your teams. Madamo gid nga salamat sa inyo nga tanan sa padayon Hiliusa Pontevedra, Abanse, Kabataang Negrense, mabuhay ang makabagong pamatanon sang banwa sang Pontevedra kag sa bungos nga Negros Occidental. Mayong hapon gid sa inyo nga tanan.
Dali lang gid, mapicture ticket tanay. Mob closer lang, mob closer. Dikit-dikit tanay Pontevedra para maka-picture kita. Ito kay video. Okay, kag siningapon, gusto ko man pasalamatan si Sir Kino Espinosa nga mogid nagpatigayon sining event. Thank you so much.
And the first five from Team Pontevedra, Aban, Bangkok, D1, Samar, and Gregorio. From Team Pilipinas, Ricardo, Juanisa, Galdo, and Calyora. Jumble now, Anissa and Bangkok. First position. Still by Yap, and layup is good. Samar, penetrate, we fade, pulls it up and out. Battling the rebound, goes to Gregorio, one dribble and perimeter jumper is good. And there's a whistle, foul, jersey number 7. D1, first personal foul. Yap now the rebound to Ricardo. On the long two, no good, rebound Samar. D1, behind the arc, air ball. Bangkok trying to save the ball. Still, counter still by Aban. Goes to Gregorio. D1, shot clock 14. Aban, he launched it, air ball. Magbanwa on the leader, guarded by Gregorio. Easy to points by Juanesa. D1 to Gregorio. To the right side. Free for three. Bang! Yap now dribble the ball. Still by Gregorio. 3-on-1. Layup is good. Galdo now inbound. Yap recovered. Galdo pass to Juanisa. Juanisa penetrate on the middle and he got a foul. Jersey number 33. First personal foul by Bangkok. First personal foul by Bangkok. Juanisa now on the line, first and then basket, last throw balls and play. Two for two, Juanisa. Gregorio on the leader to D1. Back to Gregorio to Aban. Still by Magbanwa. Magbanwa dribbling, attacking the defense of Aban. No. Aban now taking away the ball. To D1, open shot using the glass, doesn't work. Bungkag is there to the football. Yap on the run. Torquedo, easy the points. D1, he fake. Back to Gregorio. To the left side. Shot clock 10. Long three. Short. Ricardo now on the rebound. Vanessa attacking by two. Short. Vanessa second opportunity. And he got a foul. I would like to acknowledge our SB member of Pontevedra, Honorable Elmo Gabitoya. Rebound, Bongkag. Gregorio, D1, back to Gregorio. 14 shot clock. Looking around to the corner. Shot clock 8. Short rebound by Aban. Easy the point. Magbanwa. Foul. Jersey number 17. Jersey number 1 rather. Second personal foul, Gregorio. Sub. Otero now checks in. Galdo out. Gregorio, 21. Here comes the screen. D1 fades away. No. Otero for the rebound. To Yap. Yap now dribble the ball. Still by Gregorio. Gregorio all the way on the right. No. One is out the rebound. Still by D1. Pass to Gregorio. And they lost the handle. And last touch by Gregorio. Lost ball pass. Back to Pontevedra's ball. Fourteen shot clock, 14. Aban to Samar. Perimeter jumper is good. Yap now dribble the ball. Aban on him. To Magbanwa. 4-3. Airball. Vanessa is there to the football. Gregorio now on the leader. Tabligan on him. Penetrate. Kick out to Kabatanya for 3. Short. Yap. Secures the ball. Guarded by Kabatanya. Shot clock 12. Goes to Otero. Shot clock 8. Otero denied. Last touch by Otero sub. Time 4 minutes 35. 4 minutes 35 seconds on the first quarter. Gregorio. To Kabatanya. Goes to Aban. Aban. Perimeter jumper. Short. Magbanwa now on the leader. Gregorio on him. On the 15. Bouncing in. 4 minutes left. Gregorio had the ball. Here comes the screen. Bound pass. Soklan short. Second opportunity. No. One is up. Magbanwa. Sub. Yap now dribble the ball. Penalty. Sub. Three minutes, 32 seconds. Last throw balls to play. Hit in one by Yap. Igay to Barisan. Kabatan niya. 10 shot clock. Dupaan airball. Shot clock 7. Magbanwa now, dribble the ball. Guarded by Barison. Foul, jersey number 29, Dupaan, penalty. 3 minutes left. Three minutes left. 3 minutes. Barisan. Dribbling. Attacking on the lane. Denied. Pass to Magbanwa. Dribble the ball against two. Fighting away. Rejected by Suklan. Dupaan on the run. Dupaan on the move. Nowhere to go. Last touch by Dupaan. Yeah, attacking by two. No problem. Dupaan. Pass to Igay. He fake. Barison, layup on the right, gets the bounce. 2 minutes left. Still by Igay. Igay on the run, Igay on the left, gets the basket in one. Timeout, Team Pilipinas. Time 1 minute 51 seconds. Score 19-17. 2-point lead by Team Pilipinas. Igay now on the bonus through. Still by Kabatanya, attacking basketball score, 19 all. On the first countable game. Yup. Penalty na penalty. Jersey number 18. Sub. Penalty. Yep, now on the line, first attempt. Basket. Last throw balls in play. Second throw by Yap and 2 for 2 by Yap. Barisan. Dribble the ball. Barisan on the left, so strong, rebound. Soklan using the glass connect for the points. 1 minute and 15. Otera on the move, all the way, in and out. Juanisa Agaldo rather. Foul and counted. Jersey number 6 sub. One minute and 4. 10 shot clock for 3 points by Yap. Barisan. 50 seconds. Barisan running shot. Connect for the points. 40. Turnover. 38 seconds. Sub. 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 38 seconds. 38 shot clock 14. Dupa. Took back to Dupan, so strong. Juanisa on the rebound. Inside pass, he lost the ball. 20 seconds. Soklan to Dupan, one dribble into the back. Easy 2 points. 10. 8, 5, 3. And on the first quarter score, 26-25, 1 point lead by Team Pilipinas. Back on the court now on the second quarter game between Team Pilipinas and Team Pontevedra. 2 points by Ricardo. Hamili now on the leader. Pass to Soklan. Soklan dribble the ball back to Hamili. Sitting on the play, pass to on the right side, Habana. Inside pass to Samar, quick attempt, short. Ricardo now on the rebound. Pass to Solomon. Solomon, step on the line by Calyora. Hamili on the leader, sitting on the play. Here comes the screen, free for 3. No. Ricardo now on the rebound. He stop and waiting for the team, locking around. To Solomon, pass to Magbanwa. Solomon, he lost the ball. Soklan taking away the ball. Dribbling on the run, attacking by 2 defense. Denied, saying balls up. Hamili to Igay. Using the glass connect for the points. Cariola. No good. Igay to Soklan. Touchdown. Yap now dribble the ball. 2 guys on him. Deflected. Ricardo. There's a whistle, foul. Jersey number 6. Igay is up. Second personal foul, Igay. Second. Sub. Ariola for 3, air ball. Wadisa. 10 shot clock. He's been fighting away. Basket, no points. Habana deflected on the behind. Yap taking away the ball. Here comes the team Pilipinas up and away. Easy the points. Soklan attacking on the middle, kick out to Hamili, goes to Samar, free for 3, in and out. Ricardo, still by Hamili. He step on the line. Pass to Yap. For 3. Foul, jersey number 2, pushing foul, and 3 free throws. Coming from jersey number 29, Yap. I would like to acknowledge our Municipal Mayor of Pontevedra, Honorable Jose Maria Alonso, and together with the SB of Pontevedra and Vice Mayor of Pontevedra, Honorable Inday Bing Ilbor, and SB Garita, and SB Ogolia, and SB Giacomo Alonso, SB Dan Perez, and SB Jonathan Bayona, rather. Sir, ma'am, good evening and welcome. Ariola running shot, gets the bounce. Habana, back to Hamili. Bungkag, perimeter jumper, no. Samar is there to clean it up. Magbanwa now, dribble the ball. Guarded by Hamili. Deflected. Hamili now, taking away the ball, is stopped. Pass to Bungkag. And miscommunication between Bungkag and Sutlan. Sub. Ariola now, the inbound pass to Magbanwa. Foul. Jersey number 1. Gregorio. Third personal foul, third. Pass to Yap. Yap finding away. So strong. Samar now the rebound pass to Gregorio. Gregorio now dribbling on the right. And miscommunication between Bungkag and Gregorio. Still by Soklan, stopping it there. Easy the points. Otero. Togaldo, all the way, no. Rebound, Bungkag to Gregorio, pass to Sumugat. Fighting by Soklan, fake one, dribble on the net. Yeah! Yap on the run against 3. So strong! Gregorio on the run. All the way, basket, 2 points. Ariola. Short, Otero. Deny. Sub. Time out! Team Pilipinas. Time 5 minutes and 4 seconds. Score 37-36 in favor of Team Pontevedra. Shot clock 11. Shot clock 11. Shot clock 11. Yap now, the inbound still by Soklan. Here comes Soklan! He stepped on the line. Please step on the line. Samar, he fake, turn around shot, let's go! Yap, positive action, deflected by Sunugan. Here comes the block, this Yap now dribble the ball. Foul. Jersey number 9, Samar sub. Sub. First personal foul by Samar. Magbanwa na on the inbound. Tabligan, pass to Yap. Wrong pass to Gregorio. From tempo, the middle, up and away. Easy the boys. Tabligan. To Otero. Otero attacking by Token. Sa basket in one. Jersey number 33. Bungkag, second personal foul. Bonus throw by Otero. Otero na double na si Miss. Bungkag for the rebound to Gregorio. Gregorio all the way! Easy the boys! Still by Soklan. Soklan. Pass to Gregorio. Reverse now. Soklan so strong. Yap to Magbanwa. He stop for 3. Short. Sub. D1. 3 minutes 20 seconds. To Gregorio for 3. Airball. D1 to Bungkag. Open shot. Yes, goal! Wanisa. Attacking Samar. So strong. Rebound by Bungkag. To Gregorio. Goes to D1. Samar for 3. No basket. Ricardo pass to Magbanwa. Magbanwa now dribble the ball. Fighting by Wanisa. In and out. D1 taking away the ball. D1 dribble the ball. D1 pass to Bungkag and the tempo. Magbanwa faking a pass. He fake. For 3. Calyora, no. Second opportunity tonight. Sub. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 14. Ricardo, he fake, finds a way, no! Sokla now on the rebound. Pass to D1 to Gregorio. Goes to Buka. Is traffic. Still by Yap. Yap. He's stopping Bob. Yes! D1. Pass to Gregorio. Back pass to Buka. Connect for the points. 1 minute and 15. Otero. Pass to Yap. Calyora. Air ball. Foul. Jersey number 33, Bungkag. Third personal foul. What? 56 seconds, 56. 56 seconds. Gregorio. Here comes the screen. Attacking on the lane. Finishing on the right. Got it! Juanesa now dribble the ball. Goes to Galdo. Attacking Soklan. And he got a foul. Jersey number 17, Soklan. First foul, Soklan, jersey number 17. Second throw, he missed. Bungkag now on the rebound. Bungkag, attacking by Yap, short. Timeout, Team Pontevedra. 24 seconds remaining time, 24 seconds. Time, 24 seconds remaining time on the second quarter score. 51-42 in favor of Team Pontevedra. 9-point lead. Twenty-four seconds remaining time. Shot clock 19. Gregorio now the inbound for jersey number 10 to D1 for 3. No. Juanesa, dribbling, he lost the control. Gregorio now taken away to 10. 3, 1.9 seconds. Foul jersey number 33. Bungkag, fourth personal foul. One second, one. 1 second, one. 1 second, one. Sa mga audience na lang agatin dog, pwede pa kamo kapong kolig, wapa man ang aton nga gym. Sa audience na kagapong ko, pwede kamo kasakata sa aton nga mga bangko o kay ligwa pa man. Kay go pa man natin mga 20,000 nga mga tao. Hindi kamo magtindog. Kung ko kamo kay may bakante pa bakante. Back on the court now on the third quarter game between Team Pilipinas and Team Pontevedra. Soklan finding a way against three, no problem. Magbanwa. It's a trouble still by Igay. Igay up and away. Connect for the points. Still by Soklan. Recovered by Didi Loyam. Yap on the leader. Guarded by Aban. Yap, pass to Wanisa! Connect for the points. Soklan, pass to Aban. Goes to Igay. 10 shot clock. To Soklan, a fake perimeter jumper is good! Last touch by Magbanwa. Soklan, up and away, connect for two. Magbanwa, recovered, dribbling, fake. Last touch by Soklan. Still by Soklan to Igay. Pass to Soklan! Foul in one! Jersey number 17, Magbanwa. Bonus throw by Soklan. One is now on the rebound. Pass to Genti. Foul. Jersey number 5, Sarasa, first foul. Yup. In and out. Rebound, Soklan. Deflected. Aban taking away the ball to Soklan. Using the glass, easy the points. Pass to Yap. He stop. To Magbanwa. 12 shot clock. Galdo. Using the glass, connect for the points. Aban. He stop and attempt short. Galdo now on the rebound. Still by Sarasa. Running shot. No. Soklan. Connect for the points. Magbanwa dribble the ball. Looking around, pass to Wanisa. Wanisa now dribble the ball, recovered to Magbanwa. Shot clock 10 for 3 air ball. Igay. Sarasa, pass to Soklan. Soklan, nowhere to go. Yap taking away the ball and pushing the action. Genti! No! Wanisa! No good! Foul. Jersey number 34, sub. Wanisa. First personal foul. Sarasa. To kabatannya. Kabatannya. Attacking by Tono. Otero to Yap. Yap now dribble the ball. And waiting for the team. Sitting on the play. Inside pass to Otero. One dribble, denied. Soklan on the rebound. Pass to Aban. Timeout! Team Pilipinas. Time 5 minutes 54 seconds. Score 67-48 in favor of Team Pontevedra. Otero on the bound pass to Yap. Guarded by Aban. Line ball. Barison attacking on the lane, finishing on the right. No. Samar on the rebound, fades away. Rejected. Otero now secures the ball. Otero. Pass to Magbanwa. Two guys on him. To Otero, deflected. Back to Magbanwa for three. Air ball. Kabatanya. To Samar, back to Kabatanya. Easy to points. Foul, jersey number 18, Barison. First foul. Second personal foul, Barison. Still by Abad. And easy to points. Magbanwa, looking around, pass to Otero. Samar on him, running shot almost, rebound, Ricardo. And there's a whistle foul, jersey number 17. Second personal foul, Soklan. Ricardo now on the line, first and then he missed. Lastrov also playing. Second row, hit in one by Ricardo. Kabatanya for three, air ball. Out of bounds by Samar. Ricardo. Samar on him. To Vanessa. Attacking. No. Rebound. Soklan. Kawatannya to Aban. Drop pass to Barison! Easy to points! Otero now, dribble the ball. Otero running shot, no good. Rebound by Soklan to Aban and touchdown! Easy to points! Yap, dribble the ball. Still by Aban. Pass to Soklan. Soklan to Kabatanya. Short! Wanisa. Sub. Pass to Aban on the run. Touchdown! Easy to points. Galdo. Two guys on him. Looking for the open man. Pass to Solomon. Out of bounds. Barison on the leader. Rejected. Samar. 12 shot clock. Short. Solomon dribbling on the run still. By Habana. Pass to Barison. Intercepted by Tabligan. Jersey number 2 foul. Habana. Second personal foul. 2 minutes 37. Wanisa. He spin. No. Rebound. Barison. Pass to Sumugat. In and out. Sumugat again. No. Tabligan. To Wanisa. He lost the ball. Turnover. Barison. Tabligan on him. Fighting by Bukag. In and out. Same ball. Samar to Bukag. 10-round shot. It's good! Wanisa. Finding a way, using the glass connect for the points. One minute 35. Habana. Pull up jumper is good. Magbanwa. Finding a way. No. Pass to Habana. Using the glass connect for the points. Galdo. Attacking connect for 2. 55 seconds. $45 seconds. 4-3. No good. Rebound Tabligan. 35. 100. And 25. Samar airball. 19 seconds, 19 seconds. Fifteen. 10. 7. 5. 3. That's the end on the third quarter score. 85-55 in favor of Team Pontevedra. Back on the court now on the fourth in the final quarter game. The exhibition game between Team Pilipinas and Team Pontevedra. Gente, denied. Pass to Soklan. Here comes Soklan. Intercepted by Amili. Into the bucket! Basket no points! Juanisa. Dribbling. Pass to Ricardo. Traveling violation. Hamili to Bungkag, attend, in and out. Juanisa now for the rebound. Pass to Jetty. Calyora. 2 points, Calyora. Traveling violation, Amini. Sub. Yap. To Ariola. For 3. Short. Soklan now on the rebound. Soklan attacking by 3. Basket points. Yeah, for 3, bouncing out. Calyora. Pass to jersey number 10, so strong. Ricardo fake, using the gas, connect for the points. Bungka. Calyora on him. One under, no. Yap to Gently. He stop, fade away. Yes! Hamili to Siman. And to the backhand, using the glass connect for the points. Yap on the move, circle shot, and they got a foul. Jersey number 10. First personal foul, Siman. Soklan. He take the shot, connect for the points. Calyora. Dribbling, attacking on the lane, connect for the points. Jopan. Layup is good. Yap to Ardiola. To Gently. Calyora. No. Hamili now dribbling on the run. Hamili on the lane. Yes! Gently. Pass to Calyora. Pull-up jumper, no. Ricardo short. Bungkago the rebound to the pan. To Hamili for three. So strong. Gently. Layup short. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Hamili to Siman for three. No layup, no good. Last touch by the band sub. Yap now on the leader. Here comes the screen. To the left side, Magbanwa. One is denied by Soklan. Hamili now dribble the ball. To Habana. No. Soklan is there to the bottom. Yap, dribble the ball. To Magbanwa for three. No. Habana now on the rebound. Still by Magbanwa. Try it again. Air ball. Soklan. To Hamili. To Siman. Easy the points. 4 minutes left. 1-1. Calyara on the move. Connect for the points. 3 minutes 35. Sarasatan almost rebound. Genty now dribbling on the run. He lost the dribble. Last touch by Genty. Three minutes and 10. Sub. Time 3 minutes and 6 seconds. Score 101-66 in favor of Team Pontevedra. For 3 in and out. Soklan on the rebound. Traveling violation, Sumugat. Calyara to Tabligan. Short. Solomon to Calyara, back to Solomon. Shot clock 10. Sokla na on the rebound. Finding by Sumugat, using the gas AC the points. Easy the points by Gente. Last 2 minutes. Sub. Calyara to Genty. Free for 3. No. Calyara fades away. Short. Counter steal by Sarasa. Basket, 2 points, Sumugat. One minute and 10. Basket, 2 points, Sumugat. Soklan. 45. 40. 3 points, Gente. 25. 20. Easy to points. 10. 7. 5. 3. That's the end of the final quarter. Congratulations to the winner, Team Pontevedra, and thank you so much, Team Pilipinas. To all players, pa-picture na yung mga aton ng mga municipal official headed by atong Honorable Municipal Mayor Honorable Jomar Alonso, together with the Vice Mayor and together with the SB member. Team Pilipinas and Team Pontevedra, pa-picture na yung amon nga municipal official of Pontevedra. Players ng Team Pilipinas, mapapicture ka mo na isa itong upod sa amon nga municipal official of sang amon nga Pontevedra.